Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So right here on my screen is the payment proof of 0.000431145 Litecoin from this mining website I've shown to you guys today in this video. So I got this payment for free. I did not deposit any single dime on this platform I've shown to you guys today. But before I do that, if you are new to this channel, I give you daily updates on how to earn cryptocurrency online, airdrops, any sites and the like. So if you are super excited about that and want to join this community, smash that subscribe button and give you a thumbs up. Also turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post new videos like this. Okay, so if you have any question, just put it in the comment section below. I'll do well to reply to your comments. Okay, so as can see right here, I see the payment on the I received the payment today 4:16 a.m. okay in the morning. Okay, as can see right here, it has been completed and it has reflected in my balance. Okay, so now let me straight to the platform I have for you guys today. Okay guys, so the name of the platform I have for you guys today is miningbitcoin.com, and I'll be placing the link to join this platform in this video description. So to join this platform, when you click the link in the description box below, all you have to do now is click on this sign up button right here. But before I do that, let me show you guys how this platform works. So as you can see right here, they will give you a free 100 gigahash per second, which will be mining for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency for free, guys. Okay, so you don't need any deposit. Okay, as you can see right here, free 100 gigahash without any electricity management. Okay, let me zoom it in for you guys to see right here. Okay, as you can see right here, free 100 gigahash without any electricity management. If not even a withdrawal fee will be withdrawn from your withdrawal. Okay, as you can see right here, 5 to 10 daily commission from your referrals, and you can start mining Bitcoin today. Okay, so this platform has paying and that's paying. I've been withdrawing a lot from this platform, but I decided to bring this platform up so you guys can start using it. Okay, so as you can see right here, there's the starter plan in case you want to go premium on this platform, in case you want to invest to increase your mining account. Check that out. I'll be explaining that in this video. Okay, so to sign up on this platform, what you have to do now is click on this sign up section right here. So you click on this sign up section right here, we brought to a page where you'll be asked to input your name. Okay, your name, your username, your password. We type your password right here, input your email right here, we type your email, your secret question, your secret answer. Okay, you can also fill in your payment information, which is optional. Okay, you can fill it down and you can leave it out. Okay, so complete this, check, mark this marker out here. Okay, also verify this I'm not a robot. Click on this create account section. So since I have my account, let me log in straight into my account. So okay guys, as can see right here on my balance, I currently have about 0.00004 Bitcoin on my balance. Okay, which is not yet withdrawable yet. Okay, as can see, I've been able to withdraw a total of about 0.0000230 Litecoin worth of Bitcoin from this platform. Okay, so I've been earning for free, no single. As can see right here, the hash power is the free hash power I was given when I signed up on this platform. Okay, so it has been giving me a lot of Bitcoin. I've been mining a lot of Bitcoin from this platform, which is really free. Okay, as can see right here, this is the estimated mined Bitcoin I've mined so far. Okay, this is the Bitcoin I've mined so far, and I'll be able to withdraw about 230 Satoshi Bitcoin worth of Litecoin. Okay, as can see right here, no pending withdrawal right here because all my withdrawals have been processed. Okay, so if you come over to this running miner right here to check out the miners that's currently running for you. Okay, as can see right here, the running miner section. Okay, so there's the plan one right here. When you, okay, as can see right here, when you deposit about 0 point, the minimum deposit in this section is 0.0005 Bitcoin to 0.001 Bitcoin. You're able to get this plan for yourself. Okay, and also there's also another plan which right here, which costs about 0.0015 Bitcoin, the minimum and investment. So you can just use this for free, and you can also decide to deposit. Okay, so this is the plan, this is the free plan for new members right here. Okay, as you can see right here, I started on the 29th of March. Okay, and this miner cost about 0.0001. Okay, so this is the free miner for new members. Okay, so when you sign up on this platform, you'll be given 100 gigahash per second. Okay, be given an 100 gigahash for free. Okay, so That's the minor section work. So if you come over to this operations history to show you guys that I've been earning a lot of satoshi of the Bitcoin from this platform. Okay, as can see right here, I've been earning, okay, I've been, as can see right here, earnings. I've been earning 30 satoshi of Bitcoin every single day. I'm earning 30 satoshi of the Bitcoin every single day, guys. Every single day I'm earning 30 satoshi of the Bitcoin. So this was the withdrawal I placed. Okay, I withdraw 110 satoshi of Bitcoin worth of Litecoin. Okay, so I withdraw about 0.0004 Litecoin from this platform yesterday, and can so I said has been processed and has been paid. Okay, so this platform is really paying. I want guys to take advantage of the platform, and I withdraw it, which is the 11th of August, okay, 2022. As can so I said, and I drew it around 3. As can so I said, I drew it about 3 a.m. guys. Okay, 3 a.m. and I received the payment 4 a.m. guys. Okay, so this payment it took about 1 hour, and it came. Okay, so this platform paid. Okay, so let's check out the referral section right here in case you want to refer your friends to earn more on this platform. Okay, as can so I think I have about 2 referrals right here. Okay, so to get your referral link, just copy out this referral link right here. So just copy out this referral link, click on this copy link right here, refer your friends. When your friends deposit, you earn commission from them, and okay, you earn 10% profits from your referral earning daily. Okay, and when you invite new members, standard bonus, okay, which is the free bonus without them investing, you earn 5% profits from your referrals earning daily. Okay, so refer your friends, copy out the refer link, refer your friends, and start earning from them. Okay, so there's also the promotional stuff right here in case you want to write a write-up for your blog, for your Facebook page, for your Telegram group. You can just copy out this stuff right here. Okay, so this banner image right here, just copy it out, use it to refer your friends to this platform. Okay, so you can also come over to the profile settings right here to set up your wallet address, to set up your profile. Okay, set up your wallet address, okay, and the likes. Okay, so if I head back to the dashboard to show you guys how the minimum withdrawal from this platform and the likes. Okay, so if you just click on this withdraw section right here to withdraw your earnings after you have accumulated up to 0.003 Bitcoin. Okay, as can see right here, be able to earn about 0.0003 Bitcoin. If you have mined up to that amount, click on this request right here, and next 1 hour, 2 hours, you will have received your payment from this platform. Okay, so you can earn multiple cryptocurrency from this platform. You can earn the BTC, you can earn the BNB, the Tron, Theta, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash. So it depends on your referrals, guys. Okay, depends on your referrals. So that's it for this video. Do well to join me on my Telegram channel, my WhatsApp group. Also, give you a thumbs up. Also, subscribe if you are to turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you in the very next one. Peace.